Welcome back to our channel Door Decor Delights. Discover a world of creativity and inspiration as we delve into the art of door decoration. From elegant threads to personalized doormats, we are here to transform your entryways into stunning expressions of style. Join us as we share step-by-step guide tutorials, tips on choosing the perfect decor, and explore a variety of themes that will leave your guest in awe. Whether you are looking to add a touch of charm, elegance, or seasonal spirit, our channel is your go-to destination for all things door decor. Step into a world where creativity meets home elegance at Door Decor Delights. Our passion is turning ordinary doorways into extraordinary focal points. Get ready to unlock a treasure trove of design ideas, easy to follow tutorials, and expert tips that will breathe life into your entry spaces. From classic and timeless designs to trendy and modern twists, we are your ultimate search for door decor. Join our vibrant community of tie enthusiast homeowners and decor aficionados and embark on a journey to transform your entrance into captivating works of art. Subscribe now and let's open the door to endless possibilities together. Thanks for watching my video.